I'm doing my dad, getting this paper. I come in first, never in second. Shooting you actors, I'm a director. I got a couple bright ideas in mind and I'ma switch the shift. So when you think you got it, I'ma flip the script. I'm the #1 draft, I'm the tip of the pick, I'm the pick of the pack, I'm the flick of the wrist. I'm a 1-to-1, I'm a big deal. Grand finale, I'm for goodness sake, I'm the grand slam, the big picture, the climax, and King Spencer great. I'm making moves, you should get involved. Be an issue, you gon' get resolved. Shout out to Rich, that's my realest partner. We going far.
Yo. We back with another react video. No, but look here. Today, I had to do a young mukbang for y'all, man. I ain't did one in a while, man. It's actually from a local restaurant, man, in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Y'all know I'm out here for the time being, thugging it out. But yeah, from a local restaurant. A lot of people know about it, man. It's called Waffle That, man. Dog be going crazy with the food, man. It's a food truck, actually. I think they're gonna build it. I think they're gonna build a restaurant. I seen a post saying they was hiring and they needed some like servers, cashiers, and shit like that, man. So we're gonna see what that turned into. But look, so today they had it on 2115 Martin Luther King Boulevard, man. They used to have it farther down the street, but fuck it. We gonna get into this food, chicken and waffles. I was finna go to this other restaurant. They don't watch up for that shit, but this shit is right down the street from my house, and they black owned. So we're gonna rock with that. But look, peep the chicken and waffles, man. If you can, peep the chicken and waffles, man. Bam. I ain't put all the syrup on the waffles yet. Let me go ahead and do that, man. Good little $12 though. $12. Good $12. I should have got some hot sauce for this chicken, man. They chicken be hitting, man. They chicken is like probably. They chicken is top 10 in the town, man. Like for real. But they chicken be hitting, man. You see, I got the little. Niggas always put parsley on shit to make it look, you know, little leaves and parsley and shit. But hey, man, see how this chicken is. They got the wings in this bitch. I seen somebody put it on Facebook that they got the wings in this bitch. 5 wings, 4 waffles for the 12 bun. Let me see how they hit it. Let me see how they hit it, man. Got the wings first, man. Motherfucking wing good. This is not a paid promotion or a paid ad, man. This motherfucking wing is good. Cooked right. Y'all can see that shit cooked right, man. Thoroughly right. The same, like a good amount of crispiness and a good amount of softness, man. Good waffles, man. Good waffles. This really is good. God damn. Hey, dog and them hooking this shit up. Hey. Goddamn Roy and them, they just showed me this recipe, dog. Goddamn. And considering how fresh this shit is, I live like 10 minutes from there, but I had to bust a plate up before I went to you know, before I was able to eat, man. I'm just in the motherfucking car chilling. Sitting in the car be so fucking peaceful, man. That's why I do a lot of shit in my car. It's so fucking peaceful, man. I have to hear nobody fucking mouth. God. Waffle straight. Hey, that motherfucking syrup is, man. Hey, that motherfucking syrup is fire. Somebody's grandma had to make this shit, man. Man, hey, Roy and them, y'all ain't make this motherfucking syrup, dog. Man, that shit good as fuck. Oh, damn. Syrup good than a motherfucker, man. These wings fire too. They still hot though. I burnt the top of my mouth fucking with some chicken yesterday. Some weirdo shit, man. On some fat ass weirdo shit, trying to eat fast for my lunch break. Hey man, chicken and tacos, man. Best foods, chicken and tacos. But goddamn, this motherfucking syrup is so. God damn. I know them niggas be smashing this shit. Good ass free wings out. Hey, I did a little part-time weekend gig just to eat these motherfuckers. Y'all niggas heard? Motherfucking wings is good. Nigga, look how this syrup in this motherfucking wok with this drip. Drip. Tastes so good, make you want to slap your son, mama. I slap the shit out of her. Damn, wow. Wow, slap the shit out of her. This shit tastes so motherfucking good. God damn. God damn, man. They do give you napkins too, though. Shout out to them, they give you napkins. They give you napkins, they give you napkins. And y'all also got this lemonade thing fell off, y'all. Let me see if I got that card in here still, man. Can y'all read that shit? Pretty Girl lemonade. Jars for the 3. These little sippy cups for the 2, man. Told that lady not to give me no blue top, man. But look, this lemonade is so fire though. I killed that last little one. I killed that little shit. Damn, they got the same type. Damn, they got the short type. God damn, in the mason jar. Strawberry lemonade. They had the little lemonade stand with the young ladies out there, man, and they I want to say it's their moms or their auntie or something like that. Shout out to that lady. She's a nice lady. Pretty Girl lemonade, man. Shit is pretty good. Real strawberries. No preservatives. I know what preservatives taste like. God damn, man. God damn, this shit's so fucking good. I'm about to die. I had to support the black businesses though. I spent the same amount at the little restaurant on Waffles with them white people. Fuck that. Nothing against every white person, but I fuck with the ones I fuck with, man. I'm gonna get famous, they gonna find that shit in the video. Fuck it. Fuck it, man. As long as you sit on that land on Bell Street, I'm straight. But yeah, man, Waffle That, man. Shit. Good 4 out of 5, man. I don't know, man. I just don't never get shit 5 out of 5s, man. That shit's close to it though, man. 4 out of 5, man. Quality and taste, man. Not even on no hating shit. I just don't know, man. Like 5 is like fucking. Like, do y'all see the fucking Source give 5 mics to everybody, man? Do y'all see Ebert and Roper give like fucking 2 thumbs up to every movie? Or, you know, like, my bad, man. I don't even know the hating shit, man. Motherfuckers be, you know, worried about the little ratings and shit, man. But hey, look, one suggestion. Waffle That. My bad, I jumped that. I jumped that lemonade too fast. Guess I'm trying to get this video done. But yeah, man. My bad, we back. Look, Waffle That. Can y'all open a late night spot, man, for when niggas get drunk? Like, niggas' only options is fast food, Waffle House, IHOP, and a taco stand. I go to the taco stand before I go to all the other shit, man. Taco stand, that's the move for me. But if we had another option, taco stand, Waffle That, it's like a flip of the coin, man. Like, you can't go wrong. I'm tired of getting carne asada burritos with 2 carne asada tacos. I'm tired of getting 3 carne asada tacos and a carne asada gordita, spare the beans. Help us out with that. But yeah, Waffle That, man. Shit fire. Pretty Girl lemonade is great. I'm gone. Free quiz. Yeah, free quiz.